This dua is for my entire family. My mom, my dad, my brothers, and my sisters. Ya Allah, please give my entire family all the happiness in the world. Please give them success in this world and the highest ranks of paradise. Please fill up their life with peace, love, and prosperity. I want all my family members to be successful in whatever their passions are. Please make them successful, but please keep them humble. Please allow my family to always stay strong through the bad times. Please keep the devil and evil influences far away from my relationship with my family. I want the chains of our bonds to remain strong for generations. Please don't let our humor get old when I grow old with my siblings, and allow us to reminisce of the good old times. Oh Allah, please be pleased with my parents as they took care of me and still take care of me. Oh Allah, please lighten all my family members' struggles through life. Guide them on the straight path so that you are pleased with them, Ya Allah. No one in my family are perfect. My brothers, my sisters, my parents have all made mistakes, so I ask you, Ya Allah, to forgive their mistakes, show them mercy, accept all their prayers and good deeds. Oh Allah, I place my trust in you. You are the all-hearing and the all-knowing. Please accept my prayer. Ameen.